Good afternoon, good evening. Oh, actually, it's already good evening.
Hey, y'all. How's it going?
It's going well.
Y'all, I drug Barry in here with me because,
Drug me.
as usual, I've got all kinds of exciting things going on. We're not going live tonight with a project, but we want to talk about what's coming tomorrow because we'll be live at 10 a.m. tomorrow showing new product. We've got all kinds of new stuff to, you know, dress up surfaces and make, you know, and also, y'all, we've got, that's glow-in-the-dark ink, everybody.
Cool. That is cool. Was you going to show that later?
Well, no.
Did I jump ahead of you?
You're fine, Barry.
Of course I am. Yeah.
Anyway, and guess what? I thought I would have my club by now. I keep checking the shipping notifications. I even got some blueberries ready.
I like blueberries.
Barry, you can't eat these.
I know I can't eat that.
And I even got some dish towels ready. But my club's not going to be here until, it says, tomorrow after 9 or around 9 or something like that.
But tomorrow, that's good.
But tomorrow.
It's not too bad.
So, y'all, Barry's been working hard on cutouts today.
For sure.
And guess what I have to do tonight? I've got to take pictures of them, load them up to the site, get everything ready.
So you're going to have a very busy night.
Yeah. Look, I've got all of these to do.
Oh, my goodness. How many?
And
well,
then,
no, it's like...
And then I got, now be careful.
Yeah. Tons of stuff.
They're, and then I got those.
You got these too?
But anyway, so tomorrow's going to be super exciting. And I don't know if y'all saw this. Like this says pumpkin patch. And then it has 3 pumpkins. You can use, I was thinking about just doing one in the middle.
You may hold those?
Well, I'm going to put them down over there. But you could use all 3. Did I just, no I didn't. Like you could use all 3 if you wanted to.
Yeah.
But this is the only project that I've completed from all the new designs, all the new stencils. And this one does not have any cutouts on it, but we have cutouts to match.
But that project looked awesome.
Thank you.
I like that one.
And y'all, some of the new designs, I just wanted to show a couple of my favorite. And I don't have this one to show, but this is like the Toy Story cutouts. It has like a Santa, has the words toy. I'm sorry, it's Santa's Toy Shop.
I was going to say Toy Story. I didn't remember cutting that one. Santa's Toy Shop. I do remember that one.
But anyway, here's a few of my favorites. And we designed the cutout for this one where you can really use it as an ornament. So this will be available tomorrow. Then here's all-time favorite. I love anything that has like, is that called lyrics?
I don't know if the notes or...
Notes.
The lyrics is the words, right?
Anyway, Jingle Bells. This is going to be a favorite. And the church.
That was really nice.
Yeah. We got the big church cutout. And then Santa.
Of course, you got to have Santa.
Yes. But anyway, so tomorrow at 10, we'll be live on the page. And I've talked Jenny into coming over and helping me.
Oh, so you and Jenny's going to be live.
And I talked Barry into helping too.
Is that right?
Yes. And then we've got new stains that'll be available tomorrow. One's natural, one's Tobacco Road, and one's Up in Smoke.
Cool.
And then y'all know we have white coasters. We're going to have black coasters available tomorrow.
We need some more coasters.
Yeah, we
That's
do.
good. We do.
Well, it's always nice to have a variety of color.
Absolutely.
And these will look pretty with like any of the fall designs.
Somebody's asking what time is it Central?
Yeah, 10 Central tomorrow. We'll be live demoing some different things that you can do to surfaces to make them, you know, totally different. And then we've got a new top coat. You know, a lot of times y'all say, what can I put on top of my projects to, you know, to make them finished where that you could use them, that kind of thing. So we're going to demo that. We're going to demo the stains. We are going to work on a couple of projects. We're going to have some giveaways. I'm trying to think what else.
Is there something hiding from us? I don't think so.
No.
I think that was
Look,
it.
I've got plenty of stuff to do to get ready for tomorrow. And that's how I work best. You can ask Barry. I'm like somebody that I need a deadline.
And you need it soon.
And I need it soon.
If you had a deadline way out, it doesn't help you.
Yeah. If I, like, I've known about this for a month, probably 3 weeks, whatever. When do I get ready for it? The day before.
And when did I have to do the cutouts? I started working on them yesterday and finished them today. When did Barry? Yeah. Even have an opportunity to work on it.
But anyway, are y'all like that? If I start doing something like 3 weeks ago, I'd probably forget what I did with it. I wouldn't know where it was.
So just wait to the last minute on everything. There you go. You're good.
I am a 100% last minute person. But what I found out is the older I get, the harder it is for me to complete the task. When I was younger, I could.
So your energy levels decrease.
Something's happened.
Okay.
Maybe I need more coffee.
Procrastination. Yep.
It's procrastination.
Procrastination. Oh, I like that. I missed that. That's awesome.
Anyway, so if y'all hadn't seen the July Club, it's beautiful. It is like a blueberry farm design, and it comes with a tote bag. I don't have mine yet, but a lot of y'all are club members, and you're going to be getting yours in the next day or two. Well, and I should get mine tomorrow night. But if you want to look at it, just type club, and it'll send you over there. And for all of the Perks members, tomorrow morning at 9 Mountain, 10 Central, 11 Eastern.
You did that right.
You're going to get to order any of the new stuff. So hopefully we'll be right here on at 10 demoing some different designs to make your projects look different, plus a few of the transfers. I'll get these cutouts put in the computer so they'll be available. Y'all, it's going to be fun.
It's going to be a big day.
It's a big day. And if I look a little frazzled, I am.
I can verify that.
But anyway, I'm excited about tomorrow, and I hope you guys are too. I hope to see you at 10 a.m. If I don't see you then, you can watch it later on. We'll be doing some giveaways throughout the live, and then I'll do some after also. But anyway, it's going to be fun. Hope to see y'all. And look, like I said, it'll be available to watch anytime. If you can't make it at 10, make it anytime you want. But thank you guys for joining us. We just wanted to let you know I'm a procrastinator.
Procrastinator, yeah. I like that. Procrastinator.
Anyway, big time. So I got to get busy and take some pictures. But anyway, I'm excited about these cutouts. They look awesome. And all of these, y'all know, every time we have a big new release, it is like Christmas for me. I mean, I just love it.
Yep. She does. She gets very excited. And tries to get me very excited. So, I'm excited. I guess I'm going to be excited tomorrow with you at 10 Central.
Yeah, 10 Central. See y'all then. Have a great night. Bye, y'all.
Y'all have a good evening, and we will see you tomorrow.